Irish is in my heart, and when I speak it, I feel something special, you know, there's something deeper, and I want others to feel the same way. Ní raibh is agam. I didn't know that people already felt like that. They felt a special connection, even when people say, oh, my Irish is awful. I've met people tonight who aren't confident in their Irish. Well, I just want to say to you, tá Gaeilge is a chroí. Irish is in your heart. I know it is. And ná bíag burcha, don't be worried. Lana Gaeilge, and just for míle mai ag ahan dinne a votail. Thank you so much to everyone who voted. Thank you to all the people who bravely and proudly learn Irish and speak Irish and try to use it. Agus gur míle mai ag Ciara, Stephen, Hasha, the whole team for guiding me through this and for believing in Gaeilge and chroí and giving me a voice. Gur míle mai.